What's good, everybody? Welcome back. It's another night at Black Label Speed Shop. Had a couple really good days. Today we were able to finally drive the truck. It was a really cool milestone. We didn't have any problems really. We obviously need to work on the tune significantly, but it drives under its own power. It builds boost. It holds oil pressure. No problems at all.
Driving the truck today was a major milestone for us. The McLeod twin disc clutch in this car, it feels like no other. The clutch in my car doesn't even compare to this. It's insane. You don't even know it's there. It builds boost. It's a little shaky, little coffee. We still need to work on the tuning, the fuel maps. Other than that, blow-off valves from Tial Motorsports. These things are amazing. We haven't got to get into the wastegates yet, but we're looking forward to that. Looking forward to getting the two-step hooked up and see if we can shoot some flames from this thing.
Got started on the wood bed. We're staining it the same color as the stripe that's running down the center of the truck, that cool crimson red color. We've been laying on lots and lots of automotive clear, sanding on it, laying more clear, sanding on it, and laying more clear. It's starting to get pretty smooth. I think a few more sessions of that, we're going to have it finally smoothed out. And obviously, since we drove the car, we did get the interior most of the way in. We don't have the carpet in yet, but the seats are in, and all the upholstery is done, and it looks really good. It totally matches the style of the car. So we actually have a few more days before we have to load in than we originally thought. We were going to leave tomorrow morning, but we're actually going to wait until Friday. That way we load in Saturday morning along with everybody else. That also gives us a few more days to get the finishing touches done, get the spoiler bolted up, carpet in the car, and just play with it a little bit. You know, we have a few days just to get comfortable, relax, and not have that really last-minute SEMA crunch where everybody's just exhausted, everybody's worn out. We have a few cool days to have some breathing room, which is really nice. We didn't get to have that last year. So our next video will probably be us loading it up in the truck and just the trip to Las Vegas, if you know how much fun that can be. So I'll be covering that with the GoPro, just kind of, you know, seeing the stops along the way, getting into our hotel, and then loading in SEMA on day one. So thanks again for being on this little journey with us, and we'll see you next time.